Have you ever finished a meal only to feel as if your stomach suddenly doubled in size? Your clothes feel tighter. You feel heavy, uncomfortable, and you start wondering what went wrong. Here is the surprising part. For many people, the problem is not the amount of food they ate. It is what happens after the food reaches the stomach. Even more surprising, one simple natural ingredient may help support your digestion far more than most people realize. Stay with me, because there is one mistake almost everyone makes with it, and avoiding that mistake can make all the difference. Bloating is one of the most common digestive complaints in the world. It does not just affect your stomach. It can affect your confidence, your energy, and even your mood. Many people drink more water, skip meals, or reach for antacids, hoping the uncomfortable pressure will disappear. Sometimes those things help, but very often, they only cover the symptom instead of supporting the digestive process itself. So what is really happening inside your body? In many cases, bloating develops when gas becomes trapped inside the digestive system, or when food moves more slowly through the stomach than it should.
Stress, large meals, greasy foods, and even eating too quickly can all contribute.
Your body is not working against you. It is simply responding to what it is experiencing. Now here is something many people never hear. One of the most researched natural ingredients for digestive comfort is ginger. Real ginger, fresh ginger tea, or freshly grated ginger added to warm water. Why does it work? Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogaols. Researchers believe these compounds can help support normal stomach movement, allowing food to leave the stomach more efficiently. When digestion keeps moving at a healthy pace, there is often less opportunity for gas and pressure to build up. Imagine your digestive system as a busy highway. When traffic suddenly stops, everything begins to pile up. Pressure increases. Frustration grows. Ginger may help keep that traffic moving more smoothly, reducing the chance of those uncomfortable backups. Here is a simple way to try it. Take a small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb. Slice it into thin pieces and place it in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you enjoy the flavor, add a small squeeze of fresh lemon. Drink it slowly after a meal, or about 20 to 30 minutes before a heavier meal. Many people report feeling more comfortable not long afterward. While every person is different, research suggests that ginger may support faster stomach emptying, which could help reduce bloating in some individuals. However, there is one detail that many people completely overlook.
Some people only drink ginger after they already feel miserable.
But using it before a rich or heavy meal may help support digestion before discomfort even begins. It is a small habit, yet it can make a noticeable difference for many people. There is another hidden cause of bloating that often goes unnoticed: stress. When you feel anxious or rushed, your body shifts its attention away from digestion. Your stomach and intestines may slow down, making it easier for gas to build up. That is why eating while scrolling on your phone, working, or worrying can sometimes leave you feeling more bloated than the meal itself. Before eating, try taking a few slow, deep breaths. Give your body a moment to relax. Pairing this simple habit with ginger may help create a better environment for healthy digestion. If your bloating is severe, keeps coming back, is associated with significant pain, unexplained weight loss, vomiting, persistent bloating can sometimes be a sign of an underlying medical condition that needs proper evaluation. Your body is always sending signals. Bloating is not something to ignore, but it is also not something you have to accept as normal. For many people, a simple habit like using fresh ginger, eating more slowly, and managing stress can make a real difference over time. Now I would love to hear from you. Does your bloating happen after meals? Or do you wake up with it in the morning? Found this helpful? Please like this video, subscribe for more evidence-informed natural health tips, and share it with someone who is tired of feeling uncomfortable after eating.